Toy right there, Kwame. There we go. Six.
I'm getting
7.
heavy.
Yes. 9, 10, 11, 20. Show them. Let's show them. Show them your new toy. Sabi mo, you got
Here.
washing machine. And then, what's the next one? What's this one, Kwame?
Freezer.
Come on. You got the freezer too, the fridge. Yan. Hindi na siya stinky socks. No longer stinky socks. Ay, yung oven. See the oven. Yung oven. You got that one. And then the fridge. Wow, you got ice. Alright, okay. Sabi na, show mo na sa kanila, Kwame. Okay. And then we went swimming kanina, Kwame, diba?
Yeah.
Did you had fun?
What?
Okay. Tapos si tatay nag-play basketball. Okay.
And go swimming.
Okay. O, turn off mo na to, Kwame. Turn it off na. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Ma.
Mwah.